To set app icon badges style to number or dot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. So you will see home screen is here. So click on home screen. Scroll down and click on app icon badges. So after click on app icon badges, so if you want to set dot, so click on dot, go back, you will see icon dot is here. So if you want to set number, so click on number, you will see number is showing on app icon. So you will select dot and numbers from here. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set app icon badges style to number or dot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.